Hi guys, I'm Sophie from Just Fabrics. Today I'm going to show you how to make a elasticated twist headband using our new William Morris craft fabric. You can use any fabric. What you'll need is just 1/2 meter of your chosen fabric, pins, scissors, some 12mm elastic, black or white, it doesn't matter, and a sewing machine. Cut out 2 pieces of fabric which measure 18 inches by 7 inches. These can be of the same fabric or of contrasting fabrics depending on what look you want to go for. We have chosen 2 different contrasting fabrics with complementing blue colours, so measure these out and cut them with your scissors. You'll then need a 3rd piece which will measure 3 inches by 11 inches. Take the smaller piece and fold it in half right sides together and pin along the raw edge. Do the same with the larger pieces, right sides together, fold them over and pin along the raw edge. You will now need to stitch along this line with a running stitch. Now, using a safety pin or freehand, turn the panels inside out so the right sides are facing out. Align the seam upwards and press down. You'll then need to cut a piece of 6-inch length elastic. Attach a safety pin to the end of one side and thread it through the smallest piece of fabric. Pin at each end to secure the elastic. And stitch. Fold over the larger piece of fabric with the seams facing inwards and take your elasticated fabric and align it with the raw edge of the bigger piece. Fold the bigger piece over the top of the smaller piece of elastic and pin into place. You might need to go slower on the machine as it's going through a lot of fabric at once. Thread the other larger piece of fabric between the fabric that you've just sewn, making sure the seam is facing upwards. Now take the raw edges and align them at the ends, and then pull on the fabric to create the twist. You then need to take the other raw edge of the elasticated fabric and place it the same as the other side, with the raw edges of the larger piece folded over the end. Pin into place and sew. Now you just need to turn the raw edges inside out and tuck them in, and you have a finished headband. As you can see, this is a finished product for the headband. We've chosen 2 contrasting fabrics, but you can use, like you can see here, the same fabric all the way around. It's a really quick and easy make, great if you've got some fabric scraps or you're just looking for something fun to do. So I hope you're inspired. If you're looking for any more inspiration, then check out the videos on our YouTube channel.